Good afternoon. Ngayon po ay September 25, 2023 Monday at ito po ang mga resulta ng 2 PM digit games na 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto 2 PM result ngayong September 25, 2023 Monday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero na lumabas para sa 2D Lotto 2 PM. 3D Lotto 2 PM result ngayong September 25, 2023 Monday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number na lumabas para sa 3D Lotto 2 PM. 'See you again later for 5 PM result of 2D Lotto and 3D Lotto for September 25, 2023, Monday. Tonight's jackpot estimates of Grand Lotto 655 is 35 million pesos and Mega Lotto 645 estimated jackpot price is 44 million pesos for Monday, September 25, 2023. Thank you for watching this 2 PM video for afternoon of September 25, 2023, Monday. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.